Today we're going to do our grammar quiz on contractions, and Mrs. Murphy is going to help you on the board. So we've been talking about contractions all this week in grammar. And we know contractions are two words put together. So if I have a word, I'll borrow your papers, okay? And then I have another word, R, and I put them together. I have to get rid of a letter or letters and put apostrophe in this place. Addie, what do you think I need to get rid of? The A. So over here, when I write the new word, I'm going to put the word, I'm going to get rid of the A. I'm going to put an apostrophe, and then I'm going to put R-E. Okay? So, like, we are. They are. That might be the only two I can think of right now.
It's
No. Those are about the only two I can think of that would actually be contractions with R. Okay? Now, Carson.
They are.
They are. Did I say they are? Did I not say that one? I think I said that one, but that's all right. You're right. Now, what if I have another word, and I have the word is, and I put them together like he is, she is, it is. Louis, what am I going to get rid of on that one?
The I.
The I. Good job, Louis. So I'm going to cross off the I, put the apostrophe, and then all we're going to have after it is the S, like he's, she's, it's. Okay? Now there's one more that's going to be on your quiz today, and it's the word and. So if I have a word, and then I have another word am next to it, like I am, or maybe that's probably going to be the only one. Kaden, what are we going to get rid of?
The A.
The A. Good job. We're going to get rid of the A. And then we'll write the word, and we'll put the apostrophe in the place of the A, and then we'll put the M. Now, if you have I am, what do you guys have to do to the I?
Take away the I. And add it on. No, drop the M.
Addie?
Lowercase. I don't know.
Mason?
Oh, leave the I.
No. If you have the word I, you're talking about yourself. You are important. What do you always have to do to I, Kinsley?
Lowercase it or
No. Uppercase it. Make it capitalize it. Make it big. Yes. So if you have I am, which I think is on your test today, Mrs. Murphy can't just write I am. Does that look right?
No, it has to be a
It has to be capital. Anytime you're talking about yourself, you are important. It has to be capitalized, just like you capitalize your name. Everybody capitalizes their name, right? Yeah, you guys are all important. So I also needs to be capitalized because that is important too. All right, now we're going to do the two of these together. And the rest of them, I'm going to read them, but you're going to do them on your own, okay? But I want to do two together so you know what to do because it has two parts. So the first part says you need to underline two words in each sentence that could be used to form a contraction. Then write the contractions on the line. So can I have, let's have Kinsley, read number one really loud.
It is.
Oh, number one, buddy.
Oh,
Honey.
We are
Reading.
reading a book about saving
Resources. Okay, so I'm going to look for two words I can put together to make a contraction. Kinsley, did you spy too?
Yes. We are.
We are. So Kinsley, come up here. You do the same. You're going to underline we are. That's the first direction you're going to do. So on the sentences, you got to find two words you can put together. So Kinsley, underline we are. on number 1, see how this matches? On number 1, you're going to make the contraction. If you need to look at the board, because here's the word are, and Kinsley's looking at the board. She wrote the first word is we, and then she's going to get rid of the A and put an apostrophe, and then R-E. If you forget the apostrophe, you'll get part of it wrong. Good job. I'm just going to erase this down here. I know. Thank you. Okay, look up here. Did she do this right? Yes. Good job, Kinsley. Okay, we're going to do one more together. Read it nice and loud, Arya. Real. It is a story about real people. Arya, what 2 words can we make into a contraction? So I'm looking for the word are, is, or am. It is a story about real people. It is. Good job. Come up here, Arya. So if you don't know, look at the board. I think I need to find a word that has are, is, and am right next to it. And she found the word is, and the word in front of it is it. So we can make it it's. Now, how do you, on number 2, how do you write it's? Look up here if you need help. Get rid of the I. Good job. And let's put apostrophe in this place. Perfect. Good job, Arya. She capitalized it because it's the beginning of the sentence. Okay? Go really quickly. Next time you need to go before, okay? Okay. Number 3. I'm going to read it. You are going to underline it, the 2 words, and then you're going to write the contraction. So number 3 says, in the story, they are living in a small town. Underline the 2 words. 2 words you can make into a contraction. Remember, it should have are, is, or am. And then on line number 3, write the contraction for Mrs. Murphy. All right, number 4 says, the dad is a farmer and he is always busy. Find the 2 words you can make into a contraction. One of them should either have are, is, or am. The dad is a farmer and he is always busy. Okay, number 5 says, the mom is a scientist and she is fighting pollution. Okay, find the 2 words you can make into a contraction. And there is 2 is's, but one of them you can't make into a contraction. And then make sure you write the contraction down on number 5. Question, Wyatt? Pollution is when chemicals are dirty, we get dirty air or dirty water. That's polluted. It means it's dirty, it's not clean, it's not safe. So scientists fight pollution. They don't want our earth to get polluted, like the air or the water or the soil, because then our earth will disappear faster. All right, we're on number 6. I think that you are enjoying the story. So look at this sentence. There's 2 words you can put together to make a contraction. Underline the 2 words and then write the contraction down on number 6. Question, Eason. Okay, I'll do 3 in a minute. We're on number 6 right now. I'll come back to it. because we've already done that one, so you have to wait. We'll come back to it in a minute. Number 6, I think that you are enjoying the story. All right, number 7, someday I am going to save the planet. Underline the 2 words that you can make into the contraction. Everyone should probably get this one right. And then write the contraction on number 6. I'm sorry, number 7. Just leave it, Ellie. We'll see how she's going to try to get in. Okay, just leave it, Ellie. Okay, number 8. Do you think that it is really possible? Do you think that it is really possible? Okay, there's 2 words that you can make into a contraction. Underline those 2 and then write it on the line, number 8, okay? All right, now I know Mason needs me to read one more time. Mason, what number? Okay, where were you when we were reading them? Should you have been worrying about that, or should you have been doing your paper class? Next time, let's do this with us, because this is more important. Okay, because you missed a bunch, and now all the kids are ready to go on to spelling. So I'll help you in a minute since you missed so many. And Lila, I'll help you in a minute too since you go to the bathroom. But you need to go to the bathroom. Guys, when do you go to the bathroom?
Before recess.
Before morning break. Because when you come back, we got to get to work, okay? And then you miss things, and then you get behind. John, what questions?
Number 6.
Number 6, John. I think that you are enjoying the story. Okay, Charlotte, do you have one?
3.
Number 3. In the story, they are living in a small town. Libby. 4. Last one. The dad is a farmer and he is always busy. Okay, Mason and Lila, I'm going to have you in a minute put yours on my desk and I'll help you before you go to recess, okay? But we got to get to spelling because the rest of the kids are ready. So, put on your blinders. Put your spelling page on top of your grammar.
I have a